All right, so we just helped out my homie get his car running. So what was going on was the security light was on. There he is right now. All it is, security light is on. Make sure that the key, John, is just perfectly right, because then the car not gonna start. So all we did was we just turned this a little bit. The key didn't come out. Finally, the key came out in this position. Now he's got this car right here. So if you guys got a Chevy, please understand, follow him, follow this page, get your shit started. We out. So we going home 5 in the morning. Like I said, your car has problems. You're the only one that can fix it. Plastic piece of shit ass cars. Don't forget, all plastic, all rubber. But his fix, like I was saying, was just right here. The key, John. Security. I'm going home. I'm tired.